This video is part of a series of tutorials on how to use the PICOL database. In this video, we will explain how to search for restricted use pesticides, or RUPs, in PICOL. This video assumes that you are already familiar with searches in PICOL. If you have questions about the search process, you should watch our tutorials on quick and advanced searches, or check out the help section on our website. First, we should explain what a restricted use pesticide is. A federally restricted use pesticide is one that has been determined by the EPA to have the potential for unreasonable adverse effects, such as acute toxicity in humans, even when applied according to label directions. These products require additional regulation to mitigate risk. Federal regulations apply throughout the entire country, and all federal restricted use products must be clearly marked as restricted use on their product labels. A state restricted use pesticide is one that has been determined by an individual state to have the potential for unreasonable adverse effects because of local conditions. The restrictions only apply to the pesticide in that state, and products do not need to have a warning about the restriction on their label. Restrictions of both varieties affect the sale, purchase, and application of these products. The PICOL database has several different ways of allowing users to filter for restricted use pesticides. The simplest way is with an express or one-click search. From the home page, click Searches and then Quick. On the left side of the page, you will find several different express searches, including one for federal restricted use pesticides and one for Washington state restricted use pesticides. The first option, for federal restricted use pesticides, lists all pesticides that have a federal restriction and include results from both Washington and Oregon. The second option, for state restricted use pesticides, is a Washington-only search because it only lists pesticides restricted by the Washington State Department of Agriculture. You can click either option to pull up a list of all products in PICOL that meet those requirements. The second way of searching for RUPs is with the Usage column on any results screen. As an example, let's search for products whose active ingredient contains the string 2,4-D. This will help narrow our search so we don't get too many results. Next, right-click the Column Headers row and enable Usage. I can then filter by the string SRUP for Washington State Restricted Use Pesticides or Federal for federally restricted use pesticides. Oregon also has state-specific restrictions for various products. That information is not currently available in PICOL, but in the future we will be adding another category for Oregon Department of Agriculture restrictions. The third way of filtering for restricted use pesticides is by using a specific search term in the Advanced Search section. From the drop-down box on the left, select Usage Category. You can then filter by SRUP for all Washington State restricted use pesticides, or by Federally Restricted Use for those with federal restrictions. The Usage Category search term can be added on with any other search terms in the Advanced Search. Additionally, Washington breaks down state restricted use pesticides into various subcategories. These categories can be individually searched for by specifying the category that you're interested in either the Advanced Search Usage category or the Usage column in the search results. Hopefully, this has clarified how to filter for restricted use pesticides in the PICOL database. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at picol.info at wsu.edu. You can also scan the QR code located on the screen or watch more of our tutorial videos. For status updates on the database and news about the pest management community, consider checking out our Twitter at PICOL_MGR or Facebook at wsu.wsprs. Thank you.